guys, so for this video I'll be using Simply Soft yarn. It's in size 4 medium, and the crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 6. Then through this last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 3. This is row 1. Then through that same loop, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Through that same loop, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. Through that same loop, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. Through that same loop, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. Through that same loop, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. So we need to repeat this until we have 2 sets of double crochet clusters with 3 chains in between. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now to finish row 1 I'll chain 3, then through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So we have that 3 chain at the beginning of a row plus 4 more double crochet, and that gives us 5 double crochets in total. This is row 2. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll continue making 5 double crochet through each of these 3 chain loops until we reach the end of row 2. Now to finish row 2, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now through his next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through his next chain I'll make 2 double crochet through the same chain. So here, remember we had the 5 double crochets through each 3 chain loop. So through his first double crochet chain we have 2 double crochet through the same chain, then through the next 3 chains we have 1 double crochet through each chain, and through his 5th chain we have 2 double crochet through the same chain. Now through this next double crochet chain I'll make 2 double crochet through that same chain. Through his next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through his next double crochet chain, which is the 5th double crochet of this 5 set right here, I'll make 2 double crochet through that same chain. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. And now to finish row 3, right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now through his next 6 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. I'll chain 1. Now through the next 7 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Again I'll chain 1, then through the next 7 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So we repeat this throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4 I'll chain 1, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5, through his next chain I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 3. Now through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Chain 3. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 chain, and through this next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Again I'll chain 3, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, again I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through this next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So we repeat this throughout row 5. 1, 2, 3. Now to finish row 5 I would chain 3, then through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, then through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6 I would chain 4. I'll skip the next 3 double crochet chains, and through this 4th double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I would chain 4, through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. Through this next, then I'll skip these next 3 double crochet chains, and through this 4th double crochet chain I will make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 6. Now to finish row 6, I'll chain 4, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 6. Now for row 7, I'll use yarn in different color, but on camera it seems like it's almost the same color, but it's actually a different color. So now for row 7, right here through this first 4 chain loop, I insert my hook. Then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3. Then through that same 4 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So we have 4 double crochet plus the 3 chain in the beginning of row, and that gives us 5 double crochets in total. I'll chain 2. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Again I'll chain 2, then through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 7. Now to finish row 7, I'll chain 2, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 7. Now for row 8, right here through this 2 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3, then right there through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Again through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll repeat this throughout row 8. Now to finish row 8, right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 8. Now for row 9, see right here through this loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this 2 chain loop we'll make 5 double crochets with 1 chain in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right there through a 2 chain loop we made 5 double crochets with 1 chain in between. Now right here through this next loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet with 1 chain in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now through this next loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet with 1 chain in between. Then through this next loop I'll make 1 single crochet. And now to finish this row, right here through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. And now I will weave these ends in. So it measures 9.5 inches.